There, Neil Best here from Magma designgroup.com. I want to invite you guys in to view this garden. This actually is a phased out project, and we worked on phasing our projects quite a bit with our clients. Essentially, we did a master plan for these folks last year. We installed all the masonry that you see last fall, and just yesterday we came back to put in our plantings. So we're over, 8 months ago we started this, and we're phasing out the project logically, which is something we offer. It's been very good for our clients, and there are projects that we've worked on 4 years, doing a phase 1 season, maybe the next, a couple years later implementing another phase. So careful planning, the client being on the same page as us really works out in the long run. So let me show you what we got. Essentially, where we're standing, this lower elevation, this was all humped up, if you can imagine. This was just all lawn. It was a very awkward slope, awkward humped up lawn that wasn't working for them. So we came in, created these terraces and these steps to get you up to our upper terrace, which happens to be our patio. So come on up. We installed a combination of rectilinear bluestone and bluestone flagging. We carefully trimmed the stone in and create a really nice rhythm and composition with the stonework. The deck that you see here actually is probably going to be the third phase of this project. This is going to get ripped out, and they're actually going to build a small addition off of the house here. This elevation will eventually be lower. There'll be a fireplace inside here, a wood-burning stove actually, so it's going to be a really nice aspect of this whole property. So we worked with them on phasing that. We are able to ensure that the construction of this future phase won't impact the patio with access and the way it'll be dug, so it should work out pretty well. Now, the project, before we started, roughly the elevation, all right, was way up here with this lawn. That lawn was about this elevation, and right about here, it broke down about 15 feet, so it was an unusable space. We created this terrace, we dug some of this area out, put in our bluestone patio. We stepped down onto our lawn now, come on out, to give them a playing space for their son, and we implemented the playground space here with our 5-bar mulch and had this beautiful play set brought in. So now, instead of having this unusable slope, we have a level space here to play. We're able to get the play set in, a nice, chill space here with the patio. And if you come check this out here, this is going to be another phase eventually. We will be planting these terraces. We created these boulder walls here to pick up this elevation, but look at the elevation drop. Look where I'm standing. So this elevation was basically pulled back to the yard, this big hill with this unusable space. So we built up these boulder terraces, we gave them this nice access with these granite steps, and we filled in the whole entire yard from your vantage point where you're standing and created a usable yard. So it's a fun project, and we're just really happy to work with these folks and implement the master plan over a period of time. So we'll give you guys updated photos as we get going. Be good.